Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Pete's Ghias, YouTube's first, best, and only Karmann Ghia exclusive channel. That might be a huge lie and exaggeration, but I'm running with it. My videos are all about Karmann Ghia restoration, maintenance, and the joys and pitfalls of owning one. Ever wonder how to install your steering column? I'll show you. How to wire your Ghia? Upholster your seats? I'll show you. Want to see what goes into a full nut and bolt restoration? I'll show you. I'm not a professional mechanic, I have a regular job, so these videos are geared towards people like myself who have average skills and want to do the work themselves and save themselves a little money and have some fun along the way. If your idea of fun is to drive yourself crazy and slowly go broke. All right, so I know you've heard it a million times, but I'm gonna ask you to please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, share, comment, and you'll be restoring your Karmann Ghia in no time flat, I guarantee it. Not that my guarantee means anything, it's just something people say when there's cameras rolling. Whoa, these graphics are awesome. Do you know how much this cost? You better subscribe to my channel or else I'm